Project 2, Document 4. Well, the first thing we have to look at is Lynn. Lynn is spelled wrong. Lynn does not spell her name with an E at the end. If you are not sure how to spell Lynn's name, refer back to Document 1, and it has the correct spelling of everyone's name. The next thing we need to look at is Manager. General Manager is a title, so both the G and the M need to be capitalized. Next we have, when you meet with prospective clients, please discuss with him the importance of investing. Okay, we have the subject here, clients. We're talking about clients. So you have to say them, because clients is plural and them is plural. Okay, our next sentence is, our clients receive a number of advantages. Well, receive was spelled wrong, and so that needs to be changed. And advantages, it needs to take the period off and make that a lowercase. So it says, our clients receive a number of advantages when they purchase mutual funds through Pagenor Investments. Pagenor Investments is the name of a company. Therefore, the P and the I have to be capitalized. Now we have a bulleted list. Bulleted lists need to be parallel. I mean parallel in construction. That means if the first word is a noun, the rest of them better be a noun. If it's a verb, all of them need to be a verb. So, what do we look at? We have ease of purchase, that's a thing. Automatic diversification, that's a thing. Automatic reinvestment, that's a thing. And then we have, and finally, that is not a thing. So what we need to do here is take out, and finally they have, and so it just says expert portfolio management. Okay, then we will have expert portfolio, which is a thing, and that way we have parallel construction. Now this one says automatic reinvestment dividends of. All that needs to happen is you need to do a transverse sign and where you put the of in front of the dividends. The next paragraph. We're talking about load and no load funds. Then we have more than half of all mutual funds charges. Well, half is plural, so you need to charge to be plural. And charges is singular. Remember, verbs plus S equals singular. Nouns plus S equal plural. Okay, the next thing we have is there's no comma there, and you do need a comma after 5.75%. Okay, next thing. Some funds may charge a back-end load. That's the end of a sentence. It needs a period there. Then we have back-end loads are also called redemption fees, as it is. What is it is referring to? It's referring to fees. Fees is plural, so it needs to say they are. Okay, the next one we have is, it says the net effect of this fee. It needs to be changed to the net effect of this fee. Okay, let's see, the next one, we have the purpose of your deferred load is to discourage you from jumping in and out of mutual funds too quickly. Well, it needs to be you. Okay. Next paragraph. Most funds also charge a marketing fee, often called a 12B-1 fee. The next sentence starts with a number. You cannot start a sentence with a number unless it's spelled out. So right here you need to put the 12B-1 fee are charges for marketing and advertising, blah, blah, blah. You never can start a sentence with a number like this. And a lot of people did that on this project. So, okay, the next one is there is only one reason. Okay, there is supposed to be T-H-E-R-E. And also we need to highlight one. One should be spelled out because it is under 10. Anything up to 10 needs to be spelled out. 10 and above, they put in numerals. Okay, there is only one reason to pay a load of any kind, and that reason is after kind. Let's see, what do we need? We need a comma after kind. Because we have a subject here after the end, and if you have a subject after the conjunction, you have to have a comma before the conjunction. No subject, no comma. Yes subject, yes comma. And we do have a subject right after. It's called its reason. Okay, let's see. The reason to pay your investment broker or advisor for financial planning or analysis says he or she does on your behalf, because we have one broker or an advisor. So it needs to be he or she does. The last paragraph. All funds, whether they are load or no load funds, whether should be W-H-E-T-H-E-R. This is the kind of rain. The other one means it could be and it could not be, whether they are or not. Okay, and the last sentence is, the more your clients know, the better the relationship you have with him or her. We have clients we're talking about. Clients is plural, so this needs to be them.